Time for another Crimson Desert tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fulfill the quest of a rumor filled by greed. And here we are over at this sanctuary, and you're going to find the rumor. Here we are next in the Menesis, and you're at the Reventine Monastery, and over there in that little shack there's two people talking. You have to listen and overhear them, and that's how you pick up the rumor. But over here in the monastery, you might have a hard time finding the item. So just come in here on this door and go around this wall to the right. And right here in this door, here to the right, there's a little section here. And then there's a little bookcase. And so all you're going to do is you're just going to walk right through the bookcase. Lo and behold, there's this little secret door. And then there's a little puzzle that you have to complete. I already completed it. It's very simple. Just complete that puzzle. And then you're going to have to put on your mask, and then you can steal the document that is right in there. And this document is, there it was on the map. This document is worth, I think it's like 8 silver. So it's not like the most valuable thing that you can steal, but it's something to do if you want to fulfill that quest. Okay, and then if you feel good about stealing from the monastery, there you go. And then you can fulfill that quest and get that, and then you can later sell that document if you want. And I just usually stay here until the crime goes away, because no one's in that room, so they're not going to catch you or anything. And so there you go. That is how you complete that quest. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I'm going to show you what the document is right here. Where is it? Oh, it's right over here. And there you go. Exclusive document, collectible, sells for 8 silver pieces. So hopefully it was helpful in case you are having an issue solving that quest. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.